First, begin by preheating your oven to a toasty 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, it's time to start concocting your mix. Grab a large mixing bowl and add in 2 cups of shredded chicken. Rotisserie chicken is an excellent choice here, but don't hesitate to use a can of chicken breast meat if you're running short on time. Then throw in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1.5 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of ranch dressing, and half a cup of sour cream. For a burst of intense flavor, crumble in 6 strips of cooked bacon and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning mix. Blend these ingredients together until they're well combined. Now take this creamy mixture and transfer it into a lightly greased 8 by 8 inch baking dish or any similar sized oven-safe serving dish. Once your oven is all heated up, it's time to bake. Slide your dish into the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a bubbly melted cheese top. Once it's done baking, remove the dish from the oven and garnish it with the remaining 1 ounce of crumbled bacon and 2 sliced green onions. Serve it warm with crackers, sliced baguette, or your preferred vegetables. Remember, this recipe is versatile. Feel free to switch up the cheese for different flavors. Pepper jack can add a nice kick. And if you're serving this at a party, keep the dip warm in a slow cooker set on low. This way, your guests can enjoy warm, gooey, cracked chicken dip throughout your event and experience the magic of flavors it brings. If you enjoyed this recipe, show your support by liking and subscribing. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers. Happy cooking!